Hello, this is just a quick video showing you how to use my NAF pre-event seeding spreadsheet template. It's been updated and all the data imports automatically, so it's a lot easier for users to do. So I'll drop a link to the file in the description for the video. You can always come back to the link within it to see if it's been updated. I don't think there's going to be a lot that needs to be updated now. It's pretty much where I want it to be, but there may be some changes in the future. There's a little bit of information down here underneath a guide on how to use it, but obviously I'm going to talk you through that. There's a bunch of different tabs. The only ones you need to worry about are the yellow ones and the blue ones. So the yellow one is where you're going to enter the data, and the blue ones here are the reports. Everything else is all linked and you don't need to touch it. You will need to take a copy of this for yourself. This is the master file, so take a copy of it and, like I say, check back if you want to look see if there's an updated version. There's only a couple of things on the to-do list. I'm not sure if they're possible at the moment, but obviously if they are, they'll be included in the master file in the future. One thing you do want to just check is that these two numbers say OK. If they don't, there's an issue with the spreadsheet just needing updating for the new number of rows on the NAF download, but that's something that I can quickly and easily do if you let me know. So first thing you want to do is go to the list of coaches at the event, pop your name of your event in here. So I'm doing it for Eurotrash, which is in London this weekend. You then got formats of events. So regular is basically all of the combined editions of Full Blood Bowl. You can go for specific ones if you really want to, or if you're playing a variant like Sevens or Gutter Bowl, Dungeon Bowl, you can select those, but normally I'm guessing people will be using regular. You'll then want to get a list of coaches at the event and ideally the race using for a bit more detail, but that's not necessary. I've got this here from the NAF from the tour play download from the TO, so it's quite easy for you to get. So I'm just going to copy the NAF names into this column, and I'm going to copy the races. Where's that? Races here into that column. That's basically all you need to do. You want to check here if there's any errors. One error is that Elf Union is described differently on the NAF data compared to tour play, and the same for Underworld Denizens. So those are corrected there. And then you've got this NAF name check here. So these ones here, they're non-NAF. The download doesn't pull that through. So I'm just going to pop those in there. And we've got all OKs here now. So that means that our data is ready to go. And then we can just look at the different tabs. So I've got here a list of seedings based on the highest NAF rank that a coach has achieved with any race. And then if you've entered the races they're using, you get the rank based on the race they're using over here. If it's a squad event, you'll also want to put the squad name into this column, and this sheet will populate, but obviously this is a singles event, so there's nothing there. And then on the race stats, you've got a table of the number of coaches with each race, as well as a graph here. And you can just copy and paste, use it. I usually use snipping tool, and share that with everyone who's going to the event. And that's how you use the updated version of the NAF pre-event seeding spreadsheet.